Dodo bird, say hello to your new little sister. My little what? Sister that I adopted. Oh, duck, come in.
Hello, Dodo.
Piss off. I'm hanging out with Goose. Excuse me. What did you what say, Dodo?
Dodo, I want the controller.
Pfft. Hell no. Dodo, give her the controller. Peacock, I need that girly shirt you're wearing. What? Why? Because it's for your sister Duck. Now give it to me, or else. Oh no, I'm naked, and I need to go in the pool and swim with Swan.
Goose, give me your phone, or else.
No, I don't even know who you are. I'm just checking the bird news on my phone, so piss off. Give her the phone, or else. But is my phone? Not anymore.
Yay, it's half my size.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Who the hell are you and what are you doing with my money?
Mind your business, ugly.
Huh, she is your sister and you will let her steal your money. May I help you?
And Turkey's favorite.
Ugh, little siblings, I'm outta here.
Yeah, that's right. Run away like a coward.
Why are you looking at me like that, Duck?
Give me your school pocket money now.
Leave me alone. Hey, Duck, Turkey wants you to. What the hell?
Give me your school pocket money.
Dodo, help. I'm getting pile dived. Put Peacock down right now.
As you wish.
You almost tried to break my fingers.
Yeah, and what are you going to do about it? I'll just yell out Turkey and you'll be in trouble.
You're going back to the adoption center. Duck, where's Duck? She ran away, Turkey. Dodo, I'm going to yoga. Whatever you do, don't let Duck out of that attic.
Then you should have locked the door.
Oh. Okay, I'll do it myself.
What a coward.
What's going on? I heard banging. Eagle, come save us. Okay, here I am. Whoa, who is that? She's from the orphanage. Help. Oh yeah, sure. You Orpanog. Hey Duck, do you want me to adopt you?
Really?
Nope. Thank you for saving us, Eagle. You saved us, Eagle. I sure did. How much can I get willing to pay that I saved you guys from Duck?